I'm gonna be honest with you, I wasn't planning on filming right now, and then I was just taking Ellie outside for a walk. It's a beautiful day, and I thought of a few DMs that I got yesterday from a few of you girls, and your encouraging words and kindness and watching me for years and all of that made me go, no, I'm definitely filming today. I'm only doing this because of you, so we're gonna sit here and hang out and get ready. I have other videos to film today. I'm filming this right after this one. So I took a shower. I have tanner on from last night, so I have a little glow going. My skin looks weird though. I don't know if you guys can see it on camera. I need new skincare products. Okay, I posted a video recently called Recreating Pinterest Outfits, and I filmed it differently than I've done any other outfit video, and it's truly my favorite outfits video I think I've ever done. It was so much fun to film. I wanted it to feel more like vibey and less like standing and like posing. That shit is so boring to me. So at least for me to film it, I like get bored. So I did it in a different way, and I had so much fun with it, and you guys seem to really like it too, so that makes me so happy, which means I will continue to make videos like that, and I'm doing a similar one with this for Valentine's Day. That will already be up before this, so yay! I don't know if anybody else feels the same way, but I would rather look like my face is greasy and oily than too dry all day. All day. The powder I use, by the way, is just this Maybelline Fit Me powder. It's the loose finishing powder. I use 10 Fairlight. Now when I do my cheeks, I used to do it like under the bone, right in here, but now, hi baby. But now I do it like on the bone. So see, I pat like into it. Ooh. I use bronzers for just like everything, and I'm gonna tap onto my lid. I don't do this every day. I never put anything on my lids, honestly, but because I'm going to be filming another video, that's kind of the vibe I'm going for. I look like I have no lips because there's still makeup on my lips. And my lips, my natural lips don't have a lot of pigment. It drives me crazy. That's the one thing that I'm like, come on, I wish they were like a little more pinky, you know? This is the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. I think it's the best. People have said it's a dupe for the Anastasia one. I've never used that one, so I can't vouch for it, but all I know is it's so tiny. It creates the most natural looking like hair-like strokes, which I appreciate. I don't want to look like I have some crazy brows. I want my brows to look natural as possible, because truly if I didn't have these random missing little spots, I would never fill them in because I have pretty thick brow hair. So that's the only reason why I even use this. Wow, mama, you look beautiful. Yep, good girl. Yes. Can I help you? Yes. Okay. Yeah. I like to set my makeup before I do my lips and mascara. This is the Makeup Magnet Mist from Pop Beauty. Like that. Next, I can show you my new favorite lip combo. It's a dream, and it's so cheap. If she tuned it. This is what it's like to have a husky. This. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. What? What we're going to use is these two lip liners. These are so cheap. They're by LA Girl. I think they're like $3 a piece or something. So the first liner of theirs that I use is their Perfect Precision liners in the shade Bare. So outline the lips as you normally would. So bottom lip, you want to follow the line, go a little bit underneath for a pouty look, and then stick to the natural sides. That'll make your lip look more like pouty. Then for the top lips, that's when I go a little bit over, and one of my lips this side goes down versus this one. It's naturally is more out. This lip curves in a little bit. I don't know why. So we're going to try to match that. If I just follow this natural line, see how this just goes more straight versus this one that goes out more on this side? See, out, down, and in. So we have to try to pull this one up. I'm actually gonna go in with their Ultimate Lip Intense Stay Auto Liner. This one dries really quickly, and it just, she's powerful. So this is in the shade Nonstop Nude. Look, we just like nudes, bears. So what I'm gonna do for this one is I'm just gonna kind of do the corners of my mouth because to define it here, I feel like makes my lips look poutier. Like, I start in the corner, pull up, fill in a little bit over here, same on the other side. Or you can also use this and add like little lines throughout the lip so it looks more defined in that way as well. So if you want to take this and do the middle lip, yeah, boom. I have been using 2 mascaras right now. This first one, so I've been using 2 mascaras right now. This first one is from Bite Beauty. This is their new mascara that came out. It's still a little too wet for me, but that's just personal preference. I like a drier mascara. Then we go in with the other one again. Bite, tip of the lashes, pull it through. The longest I go through this is the middle, and I feel like I'm mostly like patting it versus like swiping. I really like this mascara. I just need it to get a little drier. I never like an open new mascara, ever, 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 ever. We're not done getting ready. We're also gonna do my hair. I'm gonna show you my favorite little go-to bun right now. We're doing the hair in here. I also put on a little cardigan because my armpits are white right now. I mean, I hope I am white. But because I have tan on and my armpits are white, it looks weird. I'm weird about my armpits on camera. It's just a thing. I know the lighting isn't the best in here, but I need the sink. So I have been loving this new style of bun, which I've always wanted to do, and I just learned how to do it recently. First, we're gonna brush all my hair out. You guys, my hair is at the healthiest it has ever been. If you want like a hair routine kind of hair health video, something that I would like used to do, please let me know. One of these brushes, I don't know what these bristles are called, but they're more like coarse. I hope that's the right term. I love this. It just really sleeks it all back. Sleeks it, slicks it. I'm gonna use a little water on my hands just to kind of guide the hairs in the direction I want it. Now I'm gonna go in with this Bubble and Bumble Cream Contour. I think it's just like a pomade. Why does a pomade sound like a drink? A pomegranate lemonade? Anyways, so you're gonna take some of this and put it towards the front up here, because that's where my baby hairs are, and then at the root. I'm gonna grab underneath, pull my hair up to about right here, the back of my head, okay? I'm gonna take this little like egg round brush, there's hair stuck in it, sorry. And I'm gonna kind of guide the hair back, just brushing it back like this. I'm just gonna brush it back towards my fingers. I'm not gonna fix it yet. I'm very particular about this, so this can sometimes take me a few tries. Then I'm gonna take my hands and try to guide all that hair into my hands. I'm actually gonna turn it and slick this back. I like to do this after I already have the product in too, to help pull the product through the hair, so it's not just like sitting on top of it, if that makes sense. You wanna get really tight hair bands. You're gonna pull around tight as possible. You're just doing a ponytail right now, but do it as tight as you can. You can wear this as a ponytail, but we're not doing that. But now I'm just gonna gently wrap. I twist and wrap around. Also, you can leave like 2 little pieces out in the front. I was going to do that and forgot, so you can do that now if you want. And then I'm just gonna tie it off. Bun. I can't really see what this looks like. Hold on. I feel like a ballerina. We're not done yet. I have like my everyday little hoops that I wear, but I took them out just to give my ears a break. I have these ones where it's a little moon and a little star. And then behind those I will wear like these little ones that look the same, just don't have a little dangle. I also have little rainbow versions of them if I'm feeling a little colorful. If I wanna do like big hoops, I do these. But I think I wanna do a thinner big hoop today. I might do these ones. See, is this the vibe today? Yeah, it is. Okay, cool. And then I don't know if you guys noticed, but I have my cartilage pierced, so I just always leave like this little diamond up there. Now there we are. You guys got ready with me today. I hope you enjoyed. Honestly, your sweet messages is really what got me to be on camera. You know, earlier than I was expecting to. I was just gonna sit here and listen to music and get ready, and I was like, no, you know what? We're gonna have a good time together. We're gonna enjoy each other's company. So thank you for being here and watching this and talking to me and sending me those DMs. Your words mean more to me than I think you guys realize. So I love you so much. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Now, if you haven't seen that video back there, go watch it. I love you guys so much and I'll see you very soon. Bye guys.